go. We are back, XJR, and we are pushing to a new limit. Yes, I finally found it. A combination of all our skills into a passion. I'm talking about RC airplane, flying and racing and building these model kits. We can use our 3D printing, we can use foam creating, we can use all our skills from robotics and drone building to creating these masterpieces. And I found a company, Motion RC, and I'm full in with pushing these planes and building them and just learning how to fly. So come with me on this journey and we will together learn how to fly RC planes. Let's check them out. Now in our shop, we have motors and things that you can upgrade your RC planes and build them. And we have full builds for kids. Now we're gonna have some things that kids can fly, but these are not toys. These are very expensive, so let us try them out first here. Then we can learn together how to fly these incredible machines. This is the future, drones and flying. And here we come, XJR fans. Love that sound. Those are servos that make the wings and the ailerons move. So now I'm going to take you to a real RC air show, and we're going to let a pro pilot show us how it's done. We have Rich Baker in the house. Check out his channel. I love this guy. He's great. I'm going to learn a lot from him.
Towers, Ghost Rider requesting a flyby. Negative, Ghost Rider, the powder is full. Woo!
Enough videos out there of setting up the transmitter into 2 flight modes when you have the Tomcat. You do have to trim it when the wings are out and retrim it when the wings are in. Nice low pass, Rich. He's got Guniac afterburners on his motor.
Wow, he is an amazing pilot, and one day I hope to have an ounce of his skills to fly these machines. So next we're gonna let Rich Baker break down the F-14 and explain facts and fundamentals.
Rich Baker, guys, check him out, the RC Informer on YouTube. He's got all the information. There you have it, guys. That was an awesome flight. Pilots, welcome back to Motion RC. We are live at the second annual Null in the Fall, and we got pilot Rich Baker with us with his F-14 Tomcat. We saw him down here flying it at Joe Null, and unfortunately we lost the footage, but we're back out here to do it again.
Alex, you based it.
Rich has already had one. He's flown it around, guys. I'll have links to all his videos about the F-14 in the description of this video, but this is sort of a remade.
Yeah, this is a remade, guys. It's a brand new airplane, actually, and I got it equipped with all the wing plates for the extra gear, you know, for the strength, the tougher gear. I got GUN afterburners in it. So this is going to be the first flight. I only have 4,000 packs in it for now, which keeps it a little bit lighter. So we'll see. We may sweep the wings, we may not, but I'm just trying to do just a regular kind of return to service flight, get it going again, you know, kind of thing, making sure it's set and trimmed and tuned. So if we don't, we'll put another set of batteries in, probably 5,000s, and we'll go sweep the wings. But be sure to check on RC Informer because we have a lot of flights of this. We have a mid-noontime demo at CEF with this. I've got an unboxing, I've got a build, I've got the new battery tray in there, I've got the new wing plates, which Dustin Holloman's helping me out with making the wing plates for you guys. We're trying to simplify it a little bit so it's easier for you to get those from him or me. We haven't figured it all out yet, but we'll have those for guys who want to fly off of grass so they can put them in their planes. Check it out.
Sounds good, guys. Yeah. Links in the description. Rich, let's fly it.
All right, here we go, guys. Take it off! Walk in the park. Those afterburners lit up. That looks good.
Oh, nice.
It's flying real nice, so I'm going to do a wing sweep going the other direction. So this is low rate on your aileron.
He's doing the sweep.
Lots of control here. So when I come back this direction, I'll just sweep the wings. They're coming back now. And we'll see how it goes. If I get into a problem, I'll just throw them forward again. But it looks like it's flying good. I got good roll control with the low rate in there. So I'll come by hot here. Don't want to get it slow with the wing swept. Just bring it on by. Full sweep. That looks good. Look at those burners go. Got my burn here. We're at 2,200. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the wings back out. Let them come back out. Now that they're back out, I'm going back to the high aileron rate like I talked about in the video. I'll come back fast again in the bag. And we'll bring it in because these batteries are a little small, but they do the job. So let me get the gear down. Flaps are coming in. This should give me enough to go around if I have to. Power's coming back to off. I'm just kind of dropping the nose, letting it come in. I'll add some power here, just a little bit. Install it in there. And we'll put it right down in there. Look at that. Got the flaps coming up. I'll let it kind of slow down. This is a good grass field airplane with those wing plates in there now, so I'll bring it on back.
Well, that's all I got for you. Thanks again for supporting our videos. This is going to be an amazing journey, an amazing start to an amazing future for XJR Gaming and now Air. So I'm glad that you guys are a part of it. Thank you for watching. We love you guys so much. And get ready. Here we come. And always remember, push past your limits with XJR.
Thank you.